Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing something a little special. We are out in the forest gathering chanterelle mushrooms. I am joined by Coulter today. You guys might know him by the magnet separator that I showed a while back. We are out today doing some mushroom hunting while he's down here from Boise. I'm going to show him the forest. We're going to find mushrooms. We're going to go back to the house. We're going to try out one of Coulter's newest devices on my cleanup sluice with some concentrates and some backup sands that I have. And we're going to see what kind of gold we can get out of there. And then we're going to end the day with a lovely chanterelle chowder that almost twisted my tongue up. So let's go, guys, and see what we can find. And I'll see you in a bit. So I just found some mushrooms. Let me show you what we find here in the Pacific Northwest. So as you guys can see, I'm finding some golden treasure in the forest. I'll put down my mushrooms so far. So as you see, these chanterelles, they are quite bright in the forest. And when we find them, we take our knife and we reach down and find the stem at its lowest point and slice and remove. Now that is a beautiful chanterelle. There's a couple over here, one right here. So that means that we'll probably find some out and around this area. So we're gonna keep looking, find some more. Here.
Oh yeah.
No, these are hard to do that.
Oh, really? Ooh, that's a nice one. What did I do? That one that I found.
This one's actually 3 mushrooms as one. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4 mushrooms. Now if the cap breaks off, go after the stem. It's still down there. Cut it off of the mycelium. That's still a lot of good mushroom for cooking.
Talking. That's a nice one.
Yeah. Coulter's about to get that pretty little mushroom. Yeah. That's a perfect specimen.
Are those samples? Look, I found one. Ooh. Oh, that one's good. Look at these.
I found what I'm telling my kid is a forest grenade. It's just a clump of elk shit. Alright, put your hand out.
Okay.
Ready to see a forest grenade?
Ew. That's poop.
Was this a bear poop?
No, it's elk shit. Okay, so we're back at the house. All the mushrooms are inside. I'll show you what we got here in a little bit. But we are using a new device that Coulter brought. Let me show you. So what we have here is we've got my normal cleanup sluice going, and we've got Coulter's new magnet running. Now he's got a mini version of the roly-poly that I have upstairs, but what we have on top here is what I want to show you today. So we're going to be putting in the black sand right here. Now the idea is that the spinning magnet is going to bring the magnetic sand over here. He's going to put some in. It's going to bring the magnetic sand over here, which is going to work its way down eventually to the pipe, while the non-magnetics are going to travel down this way, go down the pipe, and right into my sluice. Now what's great about this is running the pump that he's using, and his setup, I'm not using my pump at all. It's only using water coming from his system. And I really like this because already I can see a couple little specks of gold. And look at all that magnetic sand that is not in my sluice. So we're going to run this for a little while and we're going to see how it goes. So we tried a different magnet, but we didn't really like how the magnetic field was pulling the sand. We actually were getting black sands into the sluice, which is not what we're after. So we're going back to the original magnet. We're gonna run the rest of these concentrates and we'll see what we got. I'll see you in a minute. All right guys, so check that out. There is some nice gold in there. There's a lot of fine gold, couple bigger pieces. That is beautiful. Now, this was a really quick pan. There's still a lot of gold down here in this black sand. But I'm pretty happy with that. But guess what, guys? That gold is going to be going to one of you when we hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to dry it out, put it in a little container, and throw it in with the other prizes. So don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and when we hit 1,000, I'm going to do a video specifically on the giveaway. So let's head inside and I'm going to show you the mushrooms we got. So there's some of the mushrooms cleaned up. I've still got those to go through. Coulter's got some over there in a bag. But these lovely mushrooms are going to be turned into a chowder tonight. And there we go. A yummy mushroom chowder. Time to have some dinner. So thanks for joining us today, guys. We had an absolute blast going out and doing some mushroom hunting, coming back, playing with the new device, finding some gold, and now we're gonna have a yummy dinner. So if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe down below. Remember, when we hit 1,000 subscribers, somebody's gonna get the gold from today and some of the other adventures. So until then, bye guys.